Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 581 model. It works great. The battery is brand new. So what you see here, what's this one included with this Roomba. So here we got the quick start guide, the user manual, some papers, basic accessories, how to change filters, whatever you need to do, basically user agreements and stuff like that. So you got the docking station here, or the home base. It's in great condition. So that way you see it. Alright. You got the power supply here. The charger. You just plug this directly into here. Alrighty. You got two virtual walls here. Lighthouses, I guess. They're auto. So the Roomba has a RF board in there that turns those automatically. Alrighty. They're in great shape too. Hardly been used. Got two filters here, brand new. And two side brushes that are brand new here. I also got the beater brush here. It's used, but it's in great condition. And then you also got the bristle brush here. It's also been used, but it's in great condition too. It's all cleaned out. It's all been disinfected and cleaned. And here we got the iRobot Roomba 581. It's same as 580 model, except still just a little newer. So it has a newer technology in it. New software. So here's the bumper. And I can turn towards the light so you can see better. It's been used, it's not brand new, but it's in great condition. So now, basically, as you can see, so some tiny little blemishes, but it's overall great condition. I'll turn it upside down here. It says 581 right there. The caster wheel, the front wheel is in great condition, almost like new. The side brush is great condition here. So you got the cleaning head module right here. And I clean all the Roombas I got. I mean, disinfect them completely. So you get a nice clean robot. And so basically, I'll put those back in real quick. So you got the dustbin right here, which is in great condition, all cleaned out. Clean filter in there. Alrighty. Now I'll turn on for you guys to see that it works. So push the clean button here. Turn it on. Bumper for sensor so you'll see work. Anyway, so it works great, as you can see with this video. For more details, go ahead and look at the pictures. And if you have any questions, Please go ahead and let me know, and thanks for watching.